Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and we will present our presentation about teacher quality in era 4.0. And this is our group member. My name is Ryora Hanif.
And my name is Ahmad Ramadhan.
My name is Septi Handayani.
And I am Andit Muhammad Yusuf Firdaus.
Next slide. The first will be presented by Ahmad Nurrochim Ramadhan. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Yora. So, first is Sharifuddin Yusuf from tetik.com, 1st May 2019 said that the causes of the low competence of teachers in Indonesia are first, the incompatibility of disciplines with the field of study being taught. And the second one is teacher qualification that are equivalent to a bachelor degrees. And the third one is the Continuing Professional Improvement Program or PKP for teachers is still low. The last one is teacher recruitment that has not been effective. Many teachers are recruited without going through a proper recruitment system. If this continues, the teacher will not have the competence in accordance with the demands in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Okay, next slide will be presented by Septi. Time is yours.
Okay. How is the quality of teachers in Indonesia in the 4.0 era? Agus Suwinyo, Kompas, May 2nd, 2018, argues that the teacher competence is low. Even though they already have educator certificates, many teachers have inadequate pedagogic and professional competencies. So, the data from kemendikbud.go.id shows that the results of the 2015 teacher competency test in the pedagogic and professional fields show that the national average for these two fields is 53.4.02. This figure is still below the national minimum competency standard of 55. Even pedagogic competence, which is the main competence is teachers. The national average is only 48.4.94. This shows that the competence of teachers in Indonesia is still low.
Okay. Slide. How is the quality of teacher in Indonesia in the 4.0 era? Education 4.0. Education 4.0 is a term used by education experts to integrate cyber technology in learning. Education 4.0 is a response to the need of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where machines and humans are aligned to find solutions, solve problems, and find new innovation possibilities. The second is education in the industrial era 4.0 needs to be seen as competency development, which consists of three major components, namely the competence to think, act, and live in the world. Greenstein 2012. The thinking component includes critical thinking, creative thinking, and problem solving. Action component include communication, collaboration, digital literacy, and technological literacy. The component of living in the world include initiative, self-direction, global understanding, and social responsibility. And the next is the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is marked by superfast technology, will bring significant change. Teachers are required to have high competence to produce students who are able to answer the challenge of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. And the next is MOOC, or Massive Open Online Course. In an online learning innovation designed to be open, share, connect, and network with one another. This principle marks the beginning of the democratization of knowledge and creates opportunities for everyone to use technology productively. Okay, the next slide will be presented by Ucup.
So, continuing professional improvement programs and lesson study are also optimized by utilizing literacy as a means for teachers to broaden their horizons of knowledge. Uh, the pattern of the teacher competency improvement is bottom-up to capture various learning problems in various regions. If the teacher does not want to improve his competence, the teacher's role can be replaced by technology. The role of the teachers in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era is not replaced by advanced technology. Improvement of teacher competence starts from increasing the teacher recruitment system. Teachers shape the character of students through character education, tolerance, and values. The teacher selection process is not just a test of intellectual and pedagogical abilities, but also a psychological and personality test of prospective teachers in facing the challenges of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. Implementation of education refers to a new paradigm of education characterized by students as Lassians, creators, and constructivists in knowledge production and application and innovation frameworks. So it means like Ustalani on the learning homepage of the Ministry of Education and Culture argues that there are several points of learning homepage of the Ministry of Education and Culture. For the first point is in the system of recruiting teachers. The next one is the patterns of teacher competency improvement. The next one is continuous improvement of the teaching profession through the continuing professional improvement program. And the last one is lesson study to improve teacher competence. Next slide. The following are the stages for prospective teachers to be ready to face the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. So there are 4 points. For the first is ability to understand student character. The ability to understand the character of student is intended to condition what things must be taught. So how to condition students according to their respective characteristics? The ability to recognize good character will make it easier for teachers in the teaching process by using the right method. The next one is teaching experience. Of course, experience is the best teacher. Currently, there are many non-formal educational institutions available such as tutoring, private lessons, or online lessons that provide opportunities for educational students to work. By learning to start directly practicing teaching in the field, and directly the character of a teacher will be formed in us. The next point is learn technology as early as possible. Not infrequently, many job providers provide requirements in terms of job applications by targeting people who have expertise in the field of technology. So, in the future, that ability in technology will help the prospective teacher have ample opportunity to be accepted for work and win career competition in the world of work. Teachers are required to be able to operate, compile, and present data via computers and the internet. No less important is the updating of the exam system, which is almost all done online. For that, of course, a prospective teacher needs to learn and understand technology. The last point is join the teacher community. Joining a member in a community will help us to expand our relationships. So experience and even open up job opportunities. We can use this relationship to explore and obtain useful information related to the teaching professions.
Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if our group have a mistake or uncomfortable presentation. If you have any question, let us know. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.